Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. This is May monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Libra and what's going on. Libra. The world with Knight of Cups. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person in the month of May, and some new cycles are going to be begin, and someone is coming into your life. This could be a past person or could be a new person, but this person is very, very romantic, and at the same time this person is in very, very slow moving energy. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Page of Pentacle, Nine of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. I think there was a message you received from your person, and in past there are some disturbances between you and your person. Nine of Swords energy. You are in past. You depressed a lot. You got anxiety, but you overcome that and you stand by your power. Nine of Pentacles energy. You are financially very, very stable, and you are emotionally also independent. You overcome this pain in past, and I think your person is immature. Page of Pentacles. For some children's also involved in this connection. Then present, Knight of Pentacle, Eight of Wands and the Judgment. There is lots of communication is coming, and someone is returning. Maybe Knight of Pentacles energy again. They're in very slow moving energy. For some, I am seeing two persons. One could be new, one could be past. For some, it could be only a past person depending upon your situation. But someone is returning. But again, it is very, very slow moving energy. But this time, this person is very, very serious. And here, Judgment card. I think you are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship in the month of May. Then future, King of Wands, Knight of Swords and the Moon. Yes, there are some misunderstandings or fightings between you and your person. There are illusions between you and your person, but someone is rushing to communicate with you. Definitely you will receive communication. For some, lots of communication you will receive from your person, and but you stand by your power. You are taking your control totally back. King of Wands energy. You're focusing on yourself, but someone is rushing to communicate with you. Maybe one person manifesting the other person in this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Pisces or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Page of Wands. Yes, communication text is coming. Maybe you both have age differences also. So Libra, let's see your person feelings. Their feelings towards you. Their feelings. Hierophant. So your person thinking about commitment, marriage, King of Pentacles with the Hierophant. Definitely they're thinking about commitment with you. They are spying on you. They're wondering about you a lot because Page of Swords. Again, they want to communicate with you. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. Maybe if you are in separation, they are watching you. If you are not in separation, definitely there is some text is coming, communication is coming. But right now your person feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy. That's why they are spying on you. They're making their plans and they're spying on you. At the same time, they're feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy. They don't know how to make a move towards you, but they are planning. And they're thinking about commitment. So let's see their intentions. Libra. Two cards. That's why I'm not taking. Page of Page. I think your person is immature. Maybe for some children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, for some trust issues between both of you. For some, you both could be twin flames also. 11 and 11. Four of Wands. Yes, they want this happiness with you, this celebration with you. Page of Pentacles. Again, communication, text is coming. Definitely, they want to text you. They want to message you. And Six of Wands. They want success in this connection. And Seven of Swords. But they're scared for rejection. Maybe in past, they hurt you. Now they're feeling stuck to make a move towards you because there are some trust issues. Maybe this person is sneaky, played games with you in past. I think you are not trusting them. There are some trust issues between both of you, but they want to win you back again. Yes, definitely they will make a move towards you, but you are not trusting them. What I'm getting here. Yes, lot of illusions between you and your person. Strong Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Seven of Wands. Though they will not give up on you, definitely they will fight for your love and your attention, and they want to leave behind everything like negativity. Eight of Cups. Maybe in past they walked away from this connection, but now they have regrets. So they're still hoping on this connection. The star, the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. And Seven of Wands. Definitely they will fight for this connection and they will not give up on you easily. They have regrets. But you are setting healthy boundaries because you want best, you deserve best. You are very straightforward in nature, Libra. And Ten of Pentacles, your money is very, very good. I think in relationship also they're ready to offer stability. But you have financial stability. The Lovers, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Definitely there is love between both of you, but trust issues also at the same time. Three of, yes, reconciliation. I think in past there is no collaboration and partnership between both of you because Five of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles, one person treated other person as an option, but now you both want equal give and take in this relationship. In past only one person taking care of this relationship, but I think for some definitely there will be reconciliation is coming, partnership is coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Mask, third party involved, past person return. Yeah, for some third party situation may be involved. I realized my mistake. All I want is you. I can't let you go. So the messages are mask, third party involved, past person return. I realized my mistake. All I want is you and I can't let you go. These are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Yeah, some person there are some trust issues. That's why mask, third party involved. what they want you. Definitely past person return. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. Definitely your money is very, very good, Libra. And conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse. Yes, if you want to find answers to your questions, definitely conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse, and prosperity lies ahead. These are the two messages for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.